All right, guys, I told you that I was going to be trying out the Atomstack to see if it could earn a spot in Enclosurezilla, and it appears that it has, and it's going to be staying in Enclosurezilla for a while. It definitely took the V36 to the cleaners. It outperforms it, although the work area is 30 millimeters narrower as far as the depth from the front of the enclosure to the back. And I had to reconfigure the enclosure a little bit to make it work. But even though it is a little smaller, I managed to get a system set up to where I can still leave my stove covers in there and everything. And to be honest with you, the speed that this thing's dropping this material is about twice, not quite twice, what my V36 was. So, I do a lot of big cutting for signs and stuff in here. So that's important. More important than losing those 30 millimeters of work area on that one axis. So I just put a little quick video together just to show you. Consider this a teaser, guys, but I just want to show you what the redo looks like. So you'll get a little glimpse here. May try to get a video together sometime this weekend, but still not feeling great. Still got this congestion and all this coughing going on, and so not really feeling up to doing a video today. But maybe in the next day or two, I can give you a real good tour of the changes to Enclosurezilla. But in the meantime, guys, check this out. I think you'll like the way it looks. I also have put a camera in there for observation so that we can show things going on inside there. I've had the camera for a while, just been dragging my feet installing it, and since I had to gut the enclosure and redo some stuff, move the honeycomb around and all that today, I went ahead and mounted the camera. So this is the first video you'll get to see of the new camera setup in there. So I hope you enjoy it. Drop a comment down below, guys, and let me know what you think. And you'll notice on the walls I have made some mounts for my square and jig, the chuck, some other stuff, because I just thought it looked cool. So let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. And guys, I'll try to see y'all this weekend. Hopefully day 2 of the meds. Hopefully this stuff will leave me alone. So in the meantime, I'm gonna leave you with this video. Be safe. Have a good day.